I might run like this all the way down and then come all the way back up. But you're doing it like you don't want to. It wouldn't matter if I was doing a pattern this way or if I was doing a pattern this way.
Okay.
It wouldn't matter because each hit is a 360-degree stretch.
Okay.
So the travel doesn't matter, just the area that you've been.
So that would be on everything, like on the side panel,
Absolutely.
on the door skin?
Absolutely.
How easy can that be?
It's simpler than you think.
Yeah, well, like
Yeah.
I've got it already, I think. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, you've showed me. Like,
There you go.
And I wouldn't mark it out, I just do it by eye. You know
Yeah,
what I mean? And whatever.
If you know that you need to be in the center more than you do on the outside, then you could do it totally by eye. And then if you can identify I didn't do enough in this area, then you'd have to attack
just go back again.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I'm learning shit.
Absolutely.
I like it.
All right. Need to grab my tools here. Sorry, Chad and Jolene, this is Sammy. Sammy, Chad, Jolene. There it is. So because this machine isn't specifically only a planishing hammer, I've got to adjust the air hammer up and down for tension. But most planishing hammers, if they're just a planishing hammer, they would have like an adjuster to add tension.
Okay.
Like this one's got an adjuster to add tension. Because
that moved quick.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
So you can add tension and then lock it out. But this machine is more of a universal one, so it doesn't have that element. So here we go.
You're going to show us how to make the tension?
Yeah. Just gonna pop it up a bit. We'll stick our panel in there. And pop it down.
So you just pop it down tight and that's it?
Yep, that's it. And then we'll even tighten it up a little further once it gets smoother to try and get it really good. You guys might want some ear protection. This thing's loud.
I'm going to stand back.
There you go.
Sure will.
You want some?
Sure.
Chad, do you never use it?
Yeah, I'll just put my fingers in my ears. I'm good. I got wax to get out. Huh? Put my fingers in my ears. I want you to get a good visual on the two finger I shove here.
So they just come with a little foot pedal. There's like a bit of an air adjustment here, but we'll just let her rip.